20th SCO summit was held virtually in Russia owing to the pandemic. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a veiled reference to Pakistan and China, urged countries to refrain from hurting or having an intention of doing something against the sovereignty of the country. The duo of Islamabad and China has consistently been trying to infiltrate into Indian territory to gain what observers call strategic advantages.
India believes it is important to enhance connectivity by respecting one another's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in the 20th SCO summit, virtually hosted by Russia. It was the first meeting between Modi and Chinese Premier Xi Jinping since the army of the two sides clashed in a primitive fight, resulting in the death of 20 Indian soldiers and several Chinese. China, which has been criticized time and again by countries around the world for its expansionist strategies, was indirectly condemned by Modi for its role along India's northernmost territory, Ladakh. He urged countries to respect others' territorial integrity and sovereignty.
भारत का मानना है कि कनेक्टिविटी को और अधिक गहरा करने के लिए यह आवश्यक है कि एक दूसरे की संप्रभुता और टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी के सम्मान के मूल सिद्धांतों के साथ आगे बढ़ा जाए। यह दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि एससीओ एजेंडा में बार-बार अनावश्यक रूप से द्विपक्षीय मुद्दों को लाने के प्रयास हो रहे हैं, जो एससीओ चार्टर और शंघाई स्पिरिट का उल्लंघन करते हैं।
India has been fighting a two-pronged undeclared war with China and Pakistan, as both have intensified their infiltration activities along the borders. The assertive Indian forces, which has given its rivals a bloody in past, has not conceded an inch to the expansionists. The other leaders too urged for an increased cooperation amongst themselves, especially at a time when the world was suffering due to pandemic. While from outgoing US President Donald Trump to Australian cabinet, everybody has criticized China for its role in the spread of the pandemic, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran heaped praise on Beijing.
Pakistan also deeply appreciates China's effective handling of the virus and also the material and technical assistance extended by China to others, including Pakistan. China and Pakistan also are collaborating in vaccine development, with phase 3 trials successfully underway.
Critics say there could be two reasons behind his choice of words. Either the copy editors of his script were sitting in Beijing, or Islamabad is about to ask for more money from China. Many of them also say that Pakistan has become a satellite state of China and acts as per the instructions of its master. Both countries have become infamous for jointly harassing millions of innocents in Pakistan. A large number of people in Gilgit-Baltistan, Balochistan and Sindh have been displaced owing to duo's rapacious plundering of the region. Activists and people in these regions say that international organizations such as SCO must step up to help them. But so far, no tangible progress has been made.